REI Live, it is Brent Daniels, Mr. TTP, and I am going to be coming to you guys on April 11th, flying into Birmingham, Alabama, to discuss exactly what you need, the exact blueprint that you need to source the biggest and best deals in your marketplace. Now remember, when we're talking about sourcing deals, there's only 3 ways to do it. 1, you pay for it through marketing and advertising. 2, you wait for it through referrals. Or 3, you go out there and earn it by talking to people, picking up the phone and having quality conversations with distressed property owners. It is my absolute honor. I am so happy that Brian invited me to fly out there. I hope and expect all of my TTP students out there to be at this meeting. It is going to be absolutely on fire. I am so excited to meet all of you guys and put together the exact steps that you need to get your first deal, and then to just absolutely blow your business out of the water and get consistent deals every single week. See you then.